Hey there everybody, let's get unboxing. Uh-huh. 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 La 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 la, it's too much glossy. This plastic wrap is too much glossy. I can feel it, I can smell it. Very nice. So let's see from where to unbox. I think we still need the pencil. The price is written 12,250 rupees for the DJI Osmo 4 mobile. Yes, the box is slightly matte finish, and here is the hanging thing. Create magnetic moments, that's what it says. Here are the steps to use your Osmo mobile. There are some guides. This is the thing which will help us attach this magnet on our phone. This is the magnet which we can attach directly on our phone. Oh my god, this much documentation, and the quick start guide is too much heavy. I think I'll not read this. I'll see some YouTube videos and learn how to work from it. Yes, we get some 3M stickers to stick this thing. The future of possible. Awesome. The text are very nicely written. Also we get a very nice feel bag. Wow, my whole hand goes inside. It says Osmo DJI. It's a great thing. Also we get a strap so that we can hold the DJI Osmo mobile. We get a riser pad for smaller phones. That is iPhone 7, 8, SE2 and also my 6S. So yes, we need to use that. This is the magnet where our phone will go. Just a minute, I get my phone. So here's my phone, and we will just slide this up into the phone. Yes, I don't know why they have given these things. I think that the smaller phones will be coming out easily, so they must have been given this thing. So here you can see there is the camera icon right there. So you have to place this here. Yes, you have placed it pretty nicely. So here's our main thing, the tripod, which is, wow, it feels so nice. It is like matte finish, sand finish, I think I can say, and very lightweight. Keeping it aside, we'll go with the main thing, the DJI Osmo 4. Wow, it feels great. I have not yet started it. What's it? Let's start it. Yes, there's one more thing, the USB Type-C charging cable. So let's see how this works. Let me first turn it on. Yes, it's on. The motor just vibrated, and I'll just put my phone here. Oh my god. So now I think, oh wow. See the stabilization? Wow. I have not yet installed the app, or the DJI Osmo. But yes, I'll soon install the app and let you know the review also. It's quite stable. Oh my god, oh my god, it's going right there where I am moving this joystick. Oh, that's our new light which we just made, me and my sister Vishwa. Great and smooth. So that's it. The other things will be shown in the next video coming right away in some time. That will be the review video.